Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Tushar. Do you want to know how to solve translation transformation numerical? Then let's begin. A triangle PQR with vertices P at 2, 1, Q at 4, 4 and R at 1, 3 is to be translated by 2 units in x direction and 4 units in y direction. Using homogeneous coordinate system, determine the coordinate of the vertices for a translated triangle. In this numerical, we are given with coordinate of vertices and translation distance in x direction and translation distance in y direction, and we are asked to use homogeneous coordinate and find the new coordinate for the vertices. The given data for this numerical can be written as coordinate of point P 2, 1, coordinate of point Q 4, 4, coordinate of point R 1, 3, translation distance in x direction, we can designate it as Tx equal to 2 units, and translation distance in y direction Ty equal to 4 units. From this information, we can write translation matrix for the transformation. Matrix Th equal to 1 0 Tx 0 1 Ty 0 0 1. One zero two 0 1 4 0 0 1. So this is the translation matrix. By using this translation matrix, we can find out the new coordinate for vertices of triangle. New position of vertices P dash. P dash is new position of point P. It can be written as translation matrix multiplied by coordinate of point P. So this is translation matrix multiplied by coordinate of point P in homogeneous coordinate system. So this is scalar factor h and we have taken it as 1. Multiplication of these two matrices can be written as 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Similarly, 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1. It is 5. So this is the coordinate of point P dash. Similarly, we can find the coordinate of Q dash. So TH multiplied by Q. Homogeneous coordinate of point Q. 4, 4, 1. Multiplication of these two matrices, 1 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 1, and it is 6. Similarly, 0 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 1, it is 8. And for third row, 0 multiplied by 4 0 plus 0 multiplied by 4 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 1, so it is 1. And R dash equal to TH matrix multiplied by R matrix equal to this is translation matrix multiplied by coordinate of R point 1, 3 and 1, and product of these two matrices three, 7, 1. The new coordinates for vertices are P dash 4, 5, Q dash 6, 8 and R dash 3, 7. This is the initial position of a triangle where it has vertices at 2, 1, 4, 4 and 1, 3. When this triangle is translated by 2 units in x direction and 4 units in y direction, it gets its new position at P dash at 4, 5, Q dash at 6, 8 and R dash at 3, 7. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.